Welcome to our channel. Setting up Siri Shortcuts for Hulu allows you to use voice commands to quickly access your favorite shows and control playback on your iPhone or iPad. Here's how to set up Siri Shortcuts for Hulu. Step 1. Make sure you have the latest version of the Hulu app installed on your iPhone or iPad. Update it from the App Store if needed. Step 2. Ensure that iOS is updated to the latest version, as Siri shortcuts work best with newer iOS versions. Step 3. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Step 5. Make sure Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri are enabled. Step 6. Open the Hulu app and start watching a show or movie. Step 7. While watching, pause the video and invoke Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or pressing the side button. Step 8. Say a command like play Hulu or open Hulu to create a basic Siri shortcut. Step 9. For more advanced shortcuts, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. Step 10. Tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Step 11. Tap Add Action and search for Hulu. Step 12. Select the Hulu action you want, such as Open App or Continue Watching. Step 13. Customize your shortcut by adding a phrase like Watch Hulu or Resume my show on Hulu. Step 14. Tap Done to save your shortcut. Step 15. Test your new Siri shortcut by saying, "Hey Siri," followed by the phrase you created. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.